Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Redmi K80 standard variant just launched yesterday. It features a fast refresh rate 2K OLED display, last year's flagship processor, a massive battery, fast charging, and more. Today, I'll share the unboxing and first impressions of the Redmi K80 5G. Also, in the global market, this phone will be launched as the Poco F7. Hey guys, Maiky here from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the Redmi K80 Standard Edition. Yesterday, I uploaded the unboxing and detailed review of the Redmi K80 Pro variant. If you haven't watched it yet, you'll find the link in the description below or in the card above. Make sure to check it out. Now, this standard variant comes with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. The highest variant offers 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. The color option here is Green Mountains. Removing the plastic wrap, let's see what's inside the box. In the cardboard package, you get a SIM ejector tool, a user manual, and a black protective case with a separate cutout for the flash. This standard edition includes a 90-watt power adapter, while the Pro variant comes with a 120-watt adapter. Lastly, you'll find a Type-C to Type-A data cable in the box. Now let's remove the plastic from the phone and talk about its design and build. The phone has a flat screen, which is great for gaming. This is the green color option, but it's also available in black, blue, and white. The design has the same pattern as the K80 Pro, with a glossy finish on the top area and a frosted pattern on the bottom. It features a glass back, and the camera module is rounded with textures resembling a classic watch. The camera module has shiny metal edges, and the LED flash is placed on the right. The phone's frame is made of metal with a matte finish, and its color matches the phone's color. The top of the phone is plain because the IR blaster is integrated into the camera module. At the bottom, you'll find the primary microphone, a Type-C port, bottom-firing speakers, and the SIM tray. The left side is plain. The phone weighs around 206 grams and has a thickness of 8.1 millimeters. The weight is slightly higher because it features last year's flagship hardware and a large battery. The in-hand feel of the Redmi K80 is good and doesn't feel too heavy because the phone isn't too broad. However, it's not as comfortable to hold as the K80 Pro, which has a slightly curved back, while the K80 has a flat back. From the side, you can see that the frame of the K80 is slightly arched. In comparison, the K80 Pro has both a curved back and a curved frame, making it more comfortable for long-term use. That said, the K80 Pro is slightly heavier at 212 grams and thicker at 8.4 millimeters compared to the K80. The phone comes with an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which unlocks the phone quickly. This is a unique feature in this price segment, as no other phones offer an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor at this level. However, unlike advanced ultrasonic sensors in some phones that set up with a single press, the Redmi K80's sensor requires multiple taps during setup. Talking about the display, the Redmi K80 features a 6.67-inch OLED display with a 2K resolution. It's a 12-bit panel offering excellent visuals. The display on the Redmi K80 is the same as the K80 Pro variant. It offers a 120 Hz refresh rate, but adding adaptive refresh rate support would have made it even better. The side bezels are thin, but the chin is slightly thicker, and the R angles don't look perfectly aligned. The top bezel is also a bit thicker. The display provides a manual maximum brightness of up to 800 nits and a peak brightness of 1800 nits, thanks to the use of M9 luminescent material. Additionally, the screen includes DC dimming, making it eye-friendly. By default, the screen resolution is set to 1080p, but you can switch to 2K resolution if you prefer. The 120 Hz refresh rate can also be customized as needed. For color options, there's a professional primary mode available, but the primary color temperature is set at 7200K. As for the cameras, the Redmi K80 features a rear dual camera setup. Thankfully, there's no unnecessary macro camera this time. The phone's primary camera is a 50-megapixel Light Hunter 800 sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS. The secondary camera is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The main camera is the same as the one on the K80 Pro. You can also record 8K videos at 24 FPS with this phone. The camera's user interface is the same as the one found in the Redmi K70 series, with no changes. I'll be sharing the detailed camera review in a video that I'll upload in 2 days, so make sure to subscribe and join our tech team to watch it first. Now, talking about the performance. The Redmi K80 is powered by last year's flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is very powerful. I'll also be uploading the gaming test soon, so stay connected with our channel. The Redmi K80 comes with a 6550 mAh battery, which is larger than the one in the K80 Pro. It supports 90 watts fast charging, which also supports PD3 charging. However, like the K80 Pro, this standard variant doesn't have wireless charging. As for other features, the phone has an IP68 water resistance rating and also supports NFC. The price of the Redmi K80 starts at 2,499 Chinese yuan for the base variant, which is around £272 or 345 USD. To conclude, this phone will be launched at global market under the Poco F7 branding. In this price range, you get a great display, a flagship processor, an average camera, an IP68 rating, and a large battery. So, what do you guys think about the Redmi K80 or Poco F7? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching, have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something